So I'm here in Hokitika, which is on the west coast of the South Island of New Zealand. I've checked into a hostel and there's no one around, so I'm going to go for a walk along this west coast beach. It's about 30 minutes into town and I'll take you along with me.
You got me begging pretty please. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like, but I sure think you do. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop, tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Lovers on the clock, I'll be ready when we go down.
It's been one of those days where time has just gone really slowly, and I think it's because I've not been making videos. The last few weeks I've been pretty intense trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours mark, trying to make videos that you like and trying to figure out what it is that you like so that I can fill that need. I guess it's important to take a bit of time off, and I can't remember the last time I was actually filming in New Zealand, and I only just got through all the stuff I filmed in October and September in the UK, and I only put that out on December the 31st on New Year's Eve. So yeah, it's good to get out filming. I've got tomorrow, I've got half a day after that, and I've got a bit more coming up in January too. So I'm going to enjoy this. Now, where the heck am I? Ah, there I am. I need to get across this bit. Now, how do I do that? If you like this video, you know what to do. And if you're new, welcome. I'm in New Zealand, I'm on the west coast in South Island, but you probably knew that already. Okay, I'm lost. Here in Hokitika, and I'm on my way over to the gorge, and I have booked a ride over with Rachel, who's driving right now, and we're gonna have, it's looking a bit cloudy actually, but it's a sort of cloud that we're hoping is gonna burn away pretty quickly. So we'll be here this morning and we'll be shooting with the Insta360 One X and a few other bits and pieces too, so I'm really looking forward to it.
She's calling me.